Look at this guy. It's a red light and he's... Goodness. So, what's the best part of owning a Tesla and what's the worst part of owning a Tesla? They are one and the same thing, and we're going to discuss that today. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful sunny day here in Northern Illinois, and just loving the view of the carbon fiber on the dash. A little bit of sun glare does happen on occasion to that glossy dash, though, I must say. Anyway, so today's video, I wanted to walk you guys through just a thought that I had, and my wife and I have had this conversation, and I've talked with other people about it, and that is that the best thing about owning a Tesla is that it's a Tesla. What do I mean by that? Well, we've got software updates, you've got all the technology, you've got the fact that Tesla is very proprietary as a company, and they're doing things in a different, unique way. And that is all wonderful, and that's the bulk of the reason people buy a Tesla. But I also have to throw just right in there, I'm not going to make you guys wait, the worst thing about owning a Tesla is exactly that, which is everything is crazy proprietary with Tesla. So now they do things, I believe, in pretty much the best way in most areas. The problem is when you buy a Tesla, it's almost like you, even though you own it, you really don't own it. They sort of own it. You're sort of married to the system. The whole software updates thing. Tesla can activate or deactivate features on your car at their own whim. And I know people will argue and say, well, but if, that's only a problem if you have a totaled car that you've rehabbed or whatever. Of course they're going to turn off things wirelessly or whatever. But it's not even that. I mean, just the fact that a company has the power to give or to take away, even if you buy the car, you pay cash for it even, you own it outright, Tesla still can kind of screw with your car and can, I don't know, can activate or deactivate things at their own whim. And I know, people will also argue, well, legally you could go after them if they turn something off in your car even though you paid for it. Yeah, good luck with that. You're not going to pay an attorney to go after Tesla because they turned off whatever, some feature on your car. It's not generally not going to be worth the cost or the hassle to do that. So it's just something that I've been thinking about for a while. I love my Tesla, the best electric car in the world, without a doubt. But it's just something that I wanted to throw out there. Because when I talk to people that don't know anything about Tesla as a company or about the ownership experience of the car, it's something that I have to be honest with them about. I tell them, hey, they're awesome cars, they're really fast, super efficient, the tech is great, the autopilot is amazing. I mean, they're absolutely awesome cars. They will change your life. And typically they'll then ask, well, what's the downside? Well, a lot of the work that you may need to have done in the car is done only through Tesla. That's one downside. And just that fact that you are sort of married to them and their system, and you are at their mercy to, hopefully maintain their system, their charging network. And yeah, you can use an adapter to charge on a public charging network, but still, there's their proprietary charging network. You're connected to them wirelessly, which is one of the best parts of the car and the ownership experience, and one of the worst parts of it as well. So anyway, those are my thoughts for the day, and I'm wondering what you guys think. Put your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Am I off my rocker? Or is the fact that Teslas are so proprietary and so connected, is that both the best part and the worst part of owning them? So anyway, go ahead and let me know your comments in the comments section below. If you have any questions, let me know. And as always, stay charged. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.